Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to turn on group message on your iPhone. So let's get started. So I'll demonstrate you the step one by one. It's very easy. So the first thing what you need to do is we have to go over here, tap on the settings. Now from here, what you need to do is we have to scroll it down all the way down to the bottom and you have to tap on the apps. Now from here, what you need to do is we have to scroll it down and go over here like this, or you can search for the app. Go over here. Now we can search for the app, Messages app. Now we need to tap on it. Now from here, what you need to do is we have to scroll it down over here to the bottom. And from here, what you need to make sure a few things first. One, you have to make sure the recent as a text message should be turned on. And also based on the requirement of a carrier, if it is supporting for the group message on your iPhone, you'll be having an option here called MMS messaging. Make sure that also be turned on. These kind of two things should be turned on. It's very important. After turning on this, you have to check with it and you can try doing the group message. And if the MMS messaging is not supported here, which means the carrier is not supported by that, so you don't have to worry. Make sure the recent as a text message should be turned on. So this is how we can do this. And I'll see you in the next video. That's it. Bye.